वेलकम बैक गाइस टू माय चैनल। तो आज मैं आपको एक फिटिंग का सीक्रेट बताऊंगा जो क्लो में आप यूज़ कर सकते हो। क्लो में आपने देखा होगा कि जब हम एक नॉर्मल बॉडी ब्लॉक इस पे क्रिएट करते हैं तो एक आर्म होल पर बल्जीनेस आता है। तो मैं आपको वो करके दिखाता हूँ एक बार। पहले हम नॉर्मल एक ब्लॉक क्रिएट कर लेते हैं 9x15 का। तो वो जो बल्जीनेस आता है उसको हम डार्ट में मैनिपुलेट करके कैसे फिट कर सकते हैं वो चीज़ मैं आपको आज बताने वाला हूँ। तो लेट्स सी कि हम ये बैक का जो है ब्लॉक क्रिएट कर रहे हैं। बैक में हम नेक विड्थ डाल देते हैं 3 इंचेस। लेट्स मेक इट 3 इंचेस एंड 0.5 इंचेस डाउन फॉर बैक नेक ड्रॉप. So back neck drop is half inches. So that is, and shoulder width would be 4 and 3 inches is 7 into 2 is 14. So 14 inches is shoulder width, and this is called shoulder slope. So it has 1 inches. Then armhole down, keep it 8 inches. Then shape it, armhole look like curve. Then shape the waist 1 inches. So it's done the back look. Then copy it, copy for the front. Let's reset it, reset to the arrangement, keep the back on the behind. Let's take it back, flip it, and place it behind right there. So let's begin with the front. Front should be 3 inches down for front neck drop. Then shape it well. Then check the shape on the joints. You can see here something corner created. So let's fix it a little bit like this. Then we have to re-rotate at the original rotation, so we can do the rotate to x-axis and select this line. So you got that right placement. Then stitch it. Then you can see so much bulginess and looseness. So let me show you how you can do that perfect fit with dart manipulation. So first of all, you have to see the looseness. It is too much actually. So let's measure the dummy. How much the burst measurement is. It is a 34. So let's measure our pattern. 34. So let's measure our pattern. Just 1 inches below. We should measure 1 inch below the armhole line. Okay. So it is. Let's open the calculator. 8.8 into 4. So that is a 34 inches. 35. We need a 34. So we have to reduce half an inch. Half of that inches. 5. It is too much. Press on later. Open the calculator, then measure again into 34. Okay, it's become 34. So that's good. Then we can see here what is that. It's a bulginess. Let's manipulate it in the dart. Okay, you can see clearly it is a very ridiculous. So we have to manipulate. So it can be in a burst line. Okay, so I would recommend to first pinch it down. How much it should be pinched? It should be a 1 inch, I think. So place a point here, 0.75. Then okay, and place a dart. Right click on it and add a dart. 3 inches is okay, and then you can shape it well and enter. Then hit the space bar, so it will drape. Now you can see the bulging is gone. So we can do that dart in manipulate to the chest line. So how could you do that? So let me tell you one thing. First of all, you have to place the point where you want to place. So let's say I want to place in 2 inches below the line of armhole. Okay, so it should be here. I think armhole is too down, so we can do a little bit up. Make it 1 inches. I think it's good. Let's make the point again 2 inches below the armhole line. Then you can right click here at the dart, right click here and rotate the dart. So we have to first choose this point, then where should be the line should be. So it should be like here, then I have to rotate. So when I do rotate the dart fabric here, it don't go through the total gap, don't fill total gap. So what you can do, just click right click. Okay, so when you do the right click while rotating the fabric, so you can get that value box and you can put the value is close dart to the 0. So when you put 0, and you can see here is the line. So you can see the dart. Where is the dart? It was here at the armhole, and it has manipulated to the chest line. So that's the trick to the fit. How you can manipulate the armhole bulginess to the dart and manipulate. So tell me in the comment how you liked it, how it's helped you to do the fitting in the tops, and for more tool you want to know, so please subscribe me and comment below. see some areas where joints are available, and we can check with walk tool. So you can see here it is a more bulginess. So how it could be fixed? We have two more. How is the measurement? What is the measurement of it? It is 8.5 and it is 6.6. It's already too much down. Let's make it longer. Let's make it longer. 1 inches, I think. 1 inches. So there is a more bulginess. Fix. So did you find it helpful or not? Let me know in the comment. You can see the armhole bulginess is gone.
So I found a mistake in back measurement of waist, so let me fix it. The back measurement of waist is 1 inch lesser than front of waist, so I need to fix it. And if you have any query about the video, so you can comment below. I will properly answer that. And if you liked the video, you gain the knowledge of it, so please like my video and share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.